Y'all, Russ here, RVTV. Welcome. Check it out. We're on Highway 6. We're cruising along the Lake Erie shoreline. Yay. We're heading to right there on the water tower. City of Huron. It's supposed to be a big dock, marina, and another lighthouse. I thought we'd stop and check it out. I thought it'd be kind of unique. Explore the shorelines of the Great Lakes, RV along through here. You know, when you look at it on Google Maps or any mapping system, you see campgrounds, RV parks, resorts. It's endless, all the way around all the lakes. So, ooh, look at all the sailboats. Okay, I'm following the phone here, as usual. See if I can't get lost. Look, we got a little blue sky. Temps are picking up. It's actually warm, humid. No wind. That's good. As long as it doesn't rain, we'll be good shape. So this must be downtown Huron here. And oops, I need to get over. I need to make a right here. No one coming. Nope, all clear. Sorry about that. Go into business district here. Welcome to Huron. City by the bay, huh? All these towns date back into the like 1800s or before. Can you imagine them people came back, see what it was nowadays? Oh man. Paved roads. There was no paved roads back then. Canoes and huts and log homes. Be interesting to see a snapshot of the time back then, though, wouldn't it? Okay, going to the phone. Here we go. Now we're on track. Find a place to park up here. Here you go. Bowling alley. Look at that. There's some hotels in here. Looks like some restaurants. There's the big lake. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna park back here and walk. This'll work right here. The Legacy of Huron Docks. Be cool to catch a big ship, but I don't think this port's that big. Looks like a bunch of boats. We'll check that out down there later. It's supposed to be a lighthouse out here somewhere. Let's go for a walk. Pretty day for a walk. See what this one says. Fleming John. Trader. Canadian trader out of 1805. Wow. I'll be darned. War of 1812. Goodness. Well, at least they keep track of history. A lot of the stuff gets lost. Looks like little restaurants. It's early, nothing's open yet. Here you go. Park your sailboat in your yard right there. Perfect. Boy, I bet these buildings seen some weather. These storms could really kick up off the lake here. Another little restaurant. Parking lot. I could have fit in that one. I could have drove down here. Oh well. We wouldn't have seen the signs. Scooter Ding Ding. Okay. Funny name. Well, that's a long walk out on this one. Look how long the pier is. Holy moly. Oh, look, another park way down there. Huh. What a premium place to live, isn't it? There's the duck crew. Guarding the beach. Cool. Well, no getting around it. I'm going to walk out there. We're going to check out that lighthouse. Way out there. This is Centennial Park, Huron Rotary. Cool. All right, let's go for a walk. There's islands out in the lake. I think once we get farther up Lake Erie, there's some islands. You can go out and camp on them. Some of them have ferry service. Flowers all in bloom. A little bit of breeze out here. It feels good. Just a perfect day for the way it started. Kind of cloudy. Huron lighthouses. Here we go. Look at that. 1854. One got destroyed. 1857, they rebuilt it. 1939, wow. Can you imagine? Here's the other side, Huron's maritime history. Shipyards, 1838. Lake Erie birding trail. All right. This one, they got a lot of storyboards. Cool. Oh, look at the pictures. That's what I like. Different pictures of the ships that come in here. Big ones.
Morning. How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Good, good.
Few people out enjoying the dock. They ride their bikes out here, walk. Pretty cool. Bring your dog out too.
Real day. Storm. Yeah, where she went.
Watch out, you get run over. Feels good to be out of that van. Been doing so much driving this spring. Feels good to be out of it. Early boats. Look at this. Sailboats. Look at that. Bunch of those sunk too. The old time tugboats. Huh. My goodness. Imagine what came through this port. I'll be darned. All wooden boats too. Guys sitting by the dock of the bay there, huh? Had to say it. Just wait for the opportunity. I think we made it to the end. Into the pier. Walk the plank. Well, it's still quite a ways out there. Can't go any farther. There's the rock wall. Huron blockhouse, 1930s to present. Looks different though. 1930s. Look at the top of it. They took the top off. They changed lights on it. Must be more modern lights. They took the whole top of that thing off. Oh well, I mean still, it's there. Be kind of cool to go all the way out there though. Well, let's go back and get that van. We'll go check out some more of them parks. There's some other parks around here. Once again, this is Lake Erie, Huron, Ohio. Those are some heavy-duty pipes there, aren't they? For unloading ships, probably. Oh my goodness, look at these guys. I bet they're going out for a 3-hour cruise. A 3-hour cruise. Okay, I quit. Oh goodness. Now, if someone on there was named Gilligan, then I'd really be in trouble, huh? Heading out, enjoy the big Lake Erie. Well, let's drive over that other park. Shows it on the phone here, and it's straight ahead. We're losing our blue sky. I bet some of these houses are like that Airbnb for rentals and stuff. They gotta be. Okay, I see a playground. I see a bunch of storyboards in there. We gotta stop. But this is what it's like to live next to Lake Erie, right on the lake. Alright, get parked a second. Oh, look at the old church. Let's go see what those storyboards say. Cool little park. A little more info. About the same stuff about Huron. Benches everywhere. Look at this. Kids playing. Perfect for a kid, huh? Another sign, Revolutionary War. Goodness. So all these communities were kind of linked in that time frame during all the wars. Look at the church. See what the sign says about this thing. Looks like it's still a active church, active building. Wow, 1837. It was built in 38. My goodness. Still here. There's a good look. There's a lighthouse way out there. There's that loading dock with them big pipes. Absolutely incredible. There's where we were, parked over there. See a good look at the old town where all the parks are. Here's the Marina. Look at all the sailboats. Perfect for sailboating, huh? Big old Lake Erie. Not today. There's no wind. You wouldn't be going very fast. That's at Highway 6. More boats. Look at this. There's a couple campgrounds close by when you're heading to the west. If you RV through here, it's really RV friendly. Very RV friendly. Good roads, decent places to park. Just got to scout them out a little bit. If you're pulling a trailer or something, you'd be fine. Nice and green. Railroad tracks right there. Perfect. There's the water tower. And big old Lake Erie. Huge lake. Mini ocean. Just incredible, the perfect weather I'm having right now. No wind. Absolutely none. Glad I stopped here. Well, cool. We're back on Highway 6. Gonna keep heading west. See what else we find. So far, Vermilion, now Huron. Beautiful parks. All kinds of piers, lighthouses. The journey does continue. Talk soon.